Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products hitting the shelves.
Today, we're diving into what might just be the best at-home chemical exfoliant on the market. Paula's Choice Weightless Body Treatment 2% BHA.
Let's get into why this product is causing such a buzz. First off, let's talk about what sets this apart. With a potent blend of 2% salicylic acid, vitamin E, and soothing plant extracts like chamomile and green tea. This body treatment is designed to tackle rough skin, stubborn clogged pores, and even those pesky bumps associated with keratosis pilaris. But what really makes this stand out is its gentle yet effective exfoliation. Unlike harsh physical scrubs that can aggravate sensitive skin, this BHA treatment works by penetrating deep into the pores, dissolving impurities and dead skin cells without causing irritation. And the results speak for themselves. Customers are raving about how this treatment has transformed their skin. From smoothing out rough patches to reducing the appearance of blemishes and ingrown hairs. Plus, it's suitable for all skin types, whether you're oily, dry, or somewhere in between. But perhaps the best part? Paula's Choice is committed to quality without compromise. This fragrance-free, paraben-free formula is backed by science and formulated without any unnecessary fluff. Just effective, no-nonsense skincare that gets the job done. So if you're looking to upgrade your skincare routine with a powerhouse exfoliant that delivers real results, look no further than Paula's Choice Weightless Body Treatment 2% BHA. Trust me, your skin will thank you later. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy pampering.